Hello everyone. I have this microphone because some of you can't hear me anymore. Like my grandma. Like my grandma. Whoa. I got the prompt. The explanation to the prompt. Okay. Alright, when I was. But when I hope everyone liked the vampire story. It was a true story actually. Wasn't it awesome? Just comment below and tell it say what you like about it. Oh, and the lucky winner will be the lucky person in the whole entire world. So you gotta win the life. If you want to be awesome on YouTube, and you can send a video to me. Content on you. Goodbye. I'm not telling you where I live. I live I live in Florida. That's what you need to know. Bye, subscribe, comment, like. Goodbye.